Så fint. Bra. Bra.
Hvorfor vekte du meg ikke?
Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello everybody. We are doing a morning routine here. He has got his water running and food. He needs to I need to change this water. I'm going to do that. I'm sorry. He has food here too, but we are going to give him something food here. We have dried bread, some salad, and apple, if I can do it without losing my phone. Okay, this was not good. I can't use a knife with one hand. Okay, I try. Apple. Here you go. Here you go. As you see, he has his thing here. Are you going to eat? Are you going to eat it? Nothing? Are you going to try to fly? Go. Oh, I can't reach up. Hi, good then. No, you don't want to. Come on. Come. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah? Oh. Are we going to fly? Are we going to fly? Ja, få se. Are we going to fly? Få se. Åh, så fin. Bra. Så flink ut. Åh, så flink ut. Ja. Bra. Du så fin ut. Why can't I see? Oh, that's why. I need to close this door. I need to close the door. How can I do it? How can I do it? Huh? How can I close the door? Are we going back? Are we going back? Är du fri? Åh, så flink! Är du fri? Få se. Bra! You know, he broke his wing and he couldn't fly, but now he can fly from one room to another. He can't fly up to the lamp up there, but he fly there and over here, so it's getting better, right? It's getting better. It's getting better, better, better. Where is it? I need to wash this. I need to wash it. I need to wash it. And he got his treat here. Little bird. We can't give him a ladybird because he can't fly decent, so we have to wait. And but we give him space. He has his own space here, and he likes it. And we have some small birds coming. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it was just a bird here. I think they see this and that he's there, and they want to check it out. So it has come a lot of snow last night, so we have to shuffle a bit. I can show you how much. Ah, you can see it. Oh, you went up there again. You went up there again. Go. Good boy. Wait. That was a mistake. Oh, he's going to climb. Oh, what's it? Oh, så flink gutt. Bra. Bra. Få se. Å, så flink. Bra. Få se. Are you going to climb more? Come on. Good boy. Bra. Come on. Are you going to fly? Are you going to fly? Hi. Kosegutten Sala. Kosegutten Sala. Ja. Kosegutten Sala. Å, så fin gutt. Bra. Sexy. He can say it. Ja, gå fly. Gå fly. Are you going to fly? Are you going to fly? You can see this. Sala. I just put it there. Yeah, Frida. Are you going to fly? Are you going to fly? Oh, so fin gutt. Hi. Go Frida. Frida. This is exercise. Yeah, Frida. Å, så fin. Bra. Vil du fly? Ja, Frida. Are you going to fly? Come on. Fly, fly. Are you going to go there? Yeah. Are you going to fly? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, så fin gutt. You're så fin gutt. Å, så pen. Å, så pen gutt. Å, så fin. Hendo is getting jealous. Yes, he is. Å, så fin gutt. Bra. Ruff. Hold det her, ja.
På en tvete.
Nei.
Jo,
Hendo,
det der er hvete.
hva har du fant nå? Hva er det du spiser på?
Det er hvete. Det er en åker, vet du, mamma.
Ja. Hva er det du spiser på?
Han spiser hvete.
Hold den høyere opp. Hold den høyere opp. Sånn, ja. Vent, jeg ser den.
Oi.
så flink! Bra! Au.
Han bare opp.
Kom da! Da kaster jeg her hvor han ikke har gått før.
Ja.
Ja.
Oi, det ble nesten Eva. Det er nesten Ivy. Det er navnet du ville ha. Han har nesten laget det.
Har nesten skrevet Iv. Det er hunden til dog Rita. Hvor står det Iv?
Litt ser...
Ja, vi tenker på Iv. Ja. Trekk hodet litt unna, så jeg skal ikke se deg på videoen. Nei! Dennis! Nå ble mamma... Nei! Nå er jeg full av snø. Dennis! Tulling. Ah! Jeg teller på meg full av snø. Dennis throwed snow in my head. Yes. Her, bakover. Det er bestemor. Er det bestemor? It's grandma. Dennis! Ikke gjør det da. Se her.
Hendo. Nei.
Ja. Opp. Lepp.
Kommer nesten helt opp. Han har greid å komme seg helt opp.
Ja, gå da. Hente ballen. Gå. Oi.